Sound check.
G'day, it's Dr. Dan. Let's talk about those dreaded bad vocal days and how to do a 3-minute reset that just might save your session. We've all been there. You start singing and something feels off. The tone is dull, the pitch isn't locking in, maybe your range has vanished. Before you throw in the towel, let's run a simple checklist to reset the system. First, stop. Yep, literally, stop what you're doing. Take 3 slow, intentional breaths and center your awareness. Bad vocal days often start in the body and mind before they reach the voice. Second, posture check. Are you slumping over your phone or standing crooked at the piano? Standing at the piano, maybe you're standing crooked playing guitar. Reset your alignment, hips over the balls of the feet, head tall, chest buoyant. Third, hydration. Have a sip of water. Nothing fixes dryness through the vocal tract like actual moisture. Yeah, it doesn't get to the vocal folds themselves, but having that moisture run through the vocal tract can be, resetting. Don't reach for lemon or lozenges, just water. Fourth, warm up gently. Lip trills, tongue trills, or even short straw phonation set. If the voice starts to come online, slowly introduce light scales. If not, call it. There's no shame in choosing recovery over pushing through. And fifth, shift your expectations. Not every day is a performance day. Sometimes your best move is maintenance, not mastery. The 3-minute reset doesn't guarantee a miracle, but it can help you reconnect with your voice, assess what's going on, and make a wise choice about how to proceed. That's your pit stop for today. See you next time. I'm Dr. Dan. Who am I? I'm Dr. Dan. Sing well.